Hey everybody, in this video I'm going to unbox 5 Hot Wheels that I got from 50 Pack from Christmas, which was a month ago. We got these little packs are Ford Focus, Ford Mustang, McLaren Senna, or however you say that, Range Rover, and a Mazda. So I'm going to unbox them and review them, I guess. But yeah, there you go. This isn't going to be the longest video. But if a video is longer than like 2 or 3 minutes, then I upload it through my laptop. Okay. This might take a while, but it is what it is. Alright, that's one of them, one of the first vehicle. And I'm not going to review them as I go. I'm going to try to get this over with more quickly. Given the fact that I don't want this to be too long of a video, so I'm just not going to let that happen. But there you go. Nah. There's the Ford, some to McLaren. Alright, finally. Okay. I'll throw this away when I'm done with the video. I'll at least move it out the way for now. So what I got here was a Range Rover, like I said earlier, a Range Rover, a McLaren, a Mazda, Ford Mustang, and a Ford Focus. So I don't know what to do with these cars, but I could keep them. I might display them, but I don't exactly know what I'm gonna do with the cars. I do plan to lift the Range Rover. And the fact that it's a little bit bigger. I've seen Range Rovers before. So I'm doing something cool with that, I guess. But, I'm going to... I don't know what to do with these cars, but this one I'm keeping as is. It's too cool to mod. This Mustang I might make a Mad Max mod. Reminds me of the Magnum Opus from the Mad Max game. This green Mazda, I like the slime green, but like I said before, I don't know what to do with these cars. I'm just doing this for the hell of it. But yeah, there you go. I like how these were done, like factory made. They're pretty cool. I've realized that cars, Hot Wheels nowadays, for the most part, are more plastic than metal. All toy cars nowadays are more plastic than metal. Which makes sense, to save money. Yeah, there you go. Yeah, it's true. What? I like the orange on this, yellow, what the hell, oh my god. With this little, Ford Focus, I think it's cool. It would be actually a cool drift car if I were to model like that. For the Range Rover, I don't know what kind of lift kit I'm going to do. I'm going to preferably make tractor wheels out of hot glue mold. Just cast the glue like that. But I'm gonna wait. I do have an axle if I do make the wheels. If I do make wheels out of hot glue, I know what axle I'm going to put them on. So there you go, ladies and gentlemen. And as always, I've said this almost 200 times. You know what? I'm going to say it. And as always, smash that like button. Subscribe, turn on notifications, and stay cool. See you next time. May the force be with you. Have a great day. Or a great night, because it's like, what? I don't know, 9:30 at night where I'm at right now, but other than that, it's a Friday night, the best night of the week, so have a great weekend. I think that's it. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, see you next time. Bye. Another episode of Darth Revan.